There's something special about a place where fun meets family, where the ocean becomes your playground. Whether you're looking to relax or seeking a rush of adrenaline, Delphi Watersports offers something for everyone. You're not just booking an activity, you're creating moments that stay with you long after the vacation is over. Set sail on one of our 2 catamarans, now including a brand new edition built for comfort and style, and experience our most popular excursion that keeps guests coming back. Snorkel at Aruba's best spots. Enjoy the open bar and take full advantage of our rope swing and water slide. On our sunset sail, the energy stays high with music, dancing, and those golden Caribbean skies. If speed is your thing, hop on a high-powered wave runner and feel the thrill as you zip across the open water. Traveling with friends or family? Our banana boat and tubing rides deliver non-stop fun, laughter, and splashes. For a unique way to explore, try our clear kayaks and glide over Aruba's crystal clear waters. Ready to level up your adventure? Flyboarding gives you the chance to rise above the water. Strap in and feel the power as you balance and glide with the ocean beneath your feet. It's an unforgettable ride that's as fun to master as it is to watch. Or maybe you're after something more personal. Book a private boat ride just for you and your group. Escape the crowds, soak up the sun, and splash in the clear blue water at your own pace. Want even more? Add one of our underwater scooters to your booking and glide beneath the surface to discover a whole new world. We're here to help you make the most of your time on the water.